Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. This is Amrita, your law faculty at iExamB. In this video, we are going to discuss the 5 must-do topics from various subjects from SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination point of view. मैंने ये सीरीज काफ़ी टाइम पहले स्टार्ट की है. You can refer other videos as well. I have prepared individual videos for securities law, contract, criminal law, CPC, company law. ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में से each I have discussed with you all 5 must-do topics, which are the most important topics from all these areas which you cannot leave, and many questions are expected from these topics in the examination. So do watch the other videos as well. इस वीडियो में मैं comprehensively बाकी के सारे acts cover करने वाली हूँ जो सेबी के syllabus में है, all the acts that are not covered in the previous videos, and you can just check this video till the end. सारे आप important topics की list बना लो. आप चाहो तो PPT भी download कर सकते हो. If you have any doubts, you can write to us at hello@iexamb.com. You can also call on the number and directly come up with your queries, and also you can visit www.iexamb.com for the same. So don't forget to subscribe. So let us start with our discussion. SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination is 2023 is expected soon. Notification is going to come. Without wasting any time, immediately pace up your preparation. Administrative law, transfer of property, Arbitration and Conciliation Act, Torts and Consumer Protection Act, then Jurisprudence. ये सारे subjects अगर आप check out करोगे syllabus, let us check out that first, then we'll again come back to the exam pattern. You can see if you combine it together, there is a good amount of weightage. 10% plus 10%, इसमें Latin maxims भी आते हैं, but Latin maxims आपको daily पढ़ना होगा, then only you can remember it easily, because it is not something which you can learn in a day or two, and इसमें कोई importance नहीं बता सकता आपको, because there are n number of Latin terms and maxims. Gradually you can learn it. So try doing one maxim each day. Even if you are doing one legal term, one Latin term and a maxim each day, that is also a good way of covering this topic. Then from Law of Torts and Consumer Protection Act 5%, Arbitration and Conciliation 5%, 5% from TP Act. So ये कितना percentage हो गया है? 10 plus 10 plus 15. That is equivalent to 20 plus 15, that is 35. So 35% का weightage है इन सारे topics को मिलाकर. So let us discuss all the 5 must do topics from each subject. कई बार ऐसा भी होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जूरिस्प्रूडेंस से कोई क्वेश्चन ही ना आए या इंटरप्रिटेशन से ना आए, ऐसा होता है. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव कवर्ड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोमिनेंटली आज टॉपिक्स ओनली फ्रॉम ऑल दीज सब्जेक्ट्स. मैंने सब कुछ कवर नहीं किया है, लेकिन जो बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जहाँ से, दैट आई हैव कवर्ड. Interpretation of statutes is not having that much syllabus also from SEBI point of view, and questions भी बहुत कम expected होते हैं, इसलिए वो भी मैंने अलग से cover नहीं किया है. उसमें से आप rules of interpretation अगर अच्छे से कर लेते हो, harmonious construction अच्छे से कर लेते हो, that will be good enough for you. Let us see the exam pattern once again. Phase 1, you are having written examination, paper 1 as well as paper 2. Paper 2 is going to be law. Paper 1 is general. For all the streams, it is MCQs from general awareness, financial sector से related हो सकता है, English language, quantitative aptitude and test of reasoning will be there. Second is going to be legal. Legal का syllabus हम लोगों ने अभी देखा, that is what is there for paper 2. But this phase 1 is going to be qualifying in nature, remember that. Phase 2 will be having one change, that is there in paper 1 you will have descriptive English. पेपर 2 अगेन विल रिमेन सेम. कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो पेपर 2 में ऐड हुए हैं फेज़ 2 में, लाइक टैक्सेशन लॉ, देन पार्टनरशिप. ये सब पहले फेज़ 1 के सिलेबस में नहीं है, बट फेज़ 2 में कुछ चेंजेस हैं. वो आप एक कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस करके ये फेज़ 1 का सिलेबस है, फेज़ 2 का सिलेबस चेक करके कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस आप कर सकते हो. एंड इन फेज़ 2 यू हैव टू स्कोर रियली वेल सो दैट you have your name in the final merit list. Remember that phase 1 is just of qualifying in nature. So let us quickly see the 5 must do topics. First we will see from administrative law and principles of natural justice. Remember, this is a theory topic. Administrative law and principles of natural justice. Principles of natural justice, there are how many principles? We think it is 2, but actually it is 3. You can check out all the recently developed principle as well in natural justice, that is of recent decisions. And coming to rule of law, meaning, nature and scope of administrative law, this is a very theoretical subject, and this is something which is very easy. Separation of powers, then the relationship of administrative law and constitutional law, this is very important. Then administrative tribunals, 323A, 323B से एक बार क्वेश्चन आया था सेबी में of the constitution. Okay, these are articles, but they are dealing with administrative tribunals, so that's why I have taken it up over here. And principles of natural justice. So this is a very easy subject for you, and in very less time you can cover it up. From exam point of view, you should do it. It is a very theoretical subject. If you go in as much as detail you can do that. But from exam point of view, you have to limit and study. Okay. So next is Transfer of Property Act. This is a very important topic. यहाँ से आप क्वेश्चन 100% एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. बैंकिंग, फाइनेंशियल बॉडीज के एग्जाम्स अगर आप दे रहे हो तो ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मॉर्गेज इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आई वुड से. Then sale and exchange simple है and not very much lengthy also. Lease का concept, transfer of property का basic concept. Even if now you might be having a question that you are just having 3 chapters in your syllabus and SEBI sticks to the syllabus, but still transfer of property, the basic concept, you should be clear with it. Many students have a confusion in the applicability of this act. They think that transfer of property is altogether applicable only to immovable properties, but ऐसा नहीं है. So you should have a clarity कि transfer of property act कौन से parts पे applicable है, कौन से parts पे applicable नहीं है. And rights and liabilities of leaser and leasee. Now these are the most important topics जहाँ से questions आ चुके हैं, वो सब मैं आपके साथ discuss कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. Jurisprudence, schools of jurisprudence of course. Sources of law, ownership, possession concept of rights and duties. Hoffel's theory of jural relations is an important table, which is you can check out iExamB's content as well. You will find a very good explanation. So कम समय में आप ये सारे topics को बहुत अच्छे से prepare कर सकते हो. Arbitration comparatively I would say is another very important topic like TP Act. ये जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसमें से आर्बिट्रेशन भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, जहाँ से आप काफ़ी सारे गुड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, एंड ये होते भी इजी हैं. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, दिस हेल्प्स यू स्कोर वेल इफ़ यू प्रिपेयर इट वेल. एक्सटेंट ऑफ जुडिशियल इंटरप्रिटेशन यू कैन प्रिपेयर कि जुडिशरी कितना इंटरफेयर कर सकता है, कितना इन्वॉल्व हो सकता है, इंटरवीन हो सकता है आर्बिट्रल प्रोसीडिंग्स में, और कितना नहीं हो सकता है. कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर. सेक्शन 5. Then section 7, that is arbitration agreement, is very important. Then composition and jurisdiction of arbitral tribunal. Then the interim measures by court and the arbitral tribunal. When the interim measures will be ordered by court, when it will be ordered by arbitral tribunal. Section 9 and 17 is very important. Then conciliation, I would say it is only one small topic. It is not a very big area. Not very much sections are there. So इसको आप एक टॉपिक जैसे पूरी तरीके से करो. अगर क्वेश्चन आता है तो बहुत ईजी पार्ट है, यू शुड नॉट लीव इट. सो इतने मस्ट डू टॉपिक्स आपको करने ही हैं. एंड आर्बिट्रेशन एंड कंसिलिएशन, अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड. डू चेक आउट द mock tests at iExamB. Whatever I am saying, it is evident in all these mock tests and previous year questions that are available. Now coming to Torts and Consumer Protection Act. Torts, concept of tort, negligence, nuisance. Then strict and absolute liability principle will be important. Damages will be important. And the general defenses that are there under law of tort. तो ये सब आपको करना होगा torts में से. Consumer Protection Act में से I would say very very important is the jurisdiction of all the 3 forums, जो टाइम टू टाइम अपडेट होता रहता है. सो वेन एवर यू गो फॉर द एग्जाम, चेक द रिसेंट रूल्स. अभी 2021 में ये jurisdiction रिवाइज हुआ है, सो डू चेक इट आउट एंड गो वेन एवर यू गो फॉर द एग्जाम. ऑल द अथॉरिटीज दैट आर एस्टैब्लिश अंडर द एक्ट. नाउ दिस एक्ट दैट वी आर स्टडिंग इज 2019 एक्ट. ओके, 1986 हैज़ बीन रिप्लेस्ड. all the authorities, Consumer Protection Authority, Consumer Protection Council, then the new concepts introduced, unfair trade practices, misleading advertisements, product liability action का जो concept है ये काफ़ी novel है जो 2019 Act में introduce हुआ है. So this you should do. Rights of all the consumers. This is something which is an abstract concept which you can do very easily. And all the important definitions from this act. कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. अगर कंपेयर किया जाए टॉर्ट्स से तो यहाँ से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस मैंने ऑब्जर्व किए हैं. एंड ऑल टुगेदर टॉर्ट्स एंड कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन इज हैविंग अ 5% वेटेज. सो वेटेज के हिसाब से एंड ये जो मैंने लिस्ट ऑफ टॉपिक्स दिए हैं, ऑल दीज यू ट्राई टू एनालाइज. Again I am telling you, note these topics down. मैंने जितने भी वीडियोस दिए हैं आपको 5 मस्ट डू टॉपिक्स की लिस्ट में से you can download all the PPTs from all these videos. अगर आपने पहले के वीडियोस मिस किए हैं you can check them out. You can take a print of those PPTs as well and make a record of all the important topics from all these subjects with yourself. This will definitely help you all a lot in your preparation. So for more such kind of beneficial guidance, don't forget to subscribe, and you can directly reach out to us in the comment section also of these videos. Prepare 50% faster with iExamB. All the best. Thank you.